Yo, what's up everybody? OliveGrummer here, getting my water, and Grimgar, we're going to do 6 and 7, then I have 8, 9, 10, 11, and then I guess 12 will be by itself, or maybe just 6 today, and then we'll get back on the double schedule. I'm not sure, we'll see. Make sure you guys pull up the episode and watch along, because the timer begins in 3, 2, 1, play. The timer is for those watching on YouTube. For those watching on Patreon, you guys already know full reaction, of course, and early, like super early. There we go. I didn't mean to catch you guys doing something you weren't doing. Was he jealous? No, he's just curious. Oh. Oh god, this is gonna go so wrong. Yep. I think he is jealous. Oh my god, he is so wild. Oh, now he's just nosy. And now he's embarrassed. That was really good. Oh, that was funny. That was really well done. That was a good welcome. Like, that was a good beginning of an episode. I thought that was hilarious. Just the way he was screaming was pretty good. Oh, man. It's been a long, exhausting week. Whew. I'm beat. Oh, so that's the new priestess healer. Yep. Curves. Somebody just posted in the Discord top 10 worst anime openings. Dr. Stone season 1. Yeah. I did not like it. Actually, it really wasn't that bad. It just wasn't good. What else was there? I'm trying to think. What are some bad anime openings? Oh, the Dragon Ball Z one that I was listening to earlier. Like, before I started recording, I went on Hulu, and then I saw that they were playing Dragon Ball Z, and I was like, you know what? Let me watch it. It was Dragon Ball Z Kai, and I was just like, let me watch it. So I watched like 20 minutes of it before I started recording. The opening was god-awful. It was the episode where Goku's like, yeah, no, I'm not gonna win, Cell. Here's my son. I'm a trash father. Don't get hit. Let's invite her to dinner. That's the way I see it. Invite her. Oh god. That yawn snuck up on me. Is it though? Yeah, I like the way he thinks. Let the man dream, okay? He's just like, did you really just say that? Yeah, I hope they invite her to dinner or breakfast or something. Yeah, stop being so witchy. She said it. Look at her. That's like me. What? I just think she has this thing where she does not want to be in part of this group. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, gosh. Come on. Can we hit? Nope. Nope. There you go. She's cheering you guys on. Are you kidding me? It's like the most she's done so far. Well, she's cheered her on. God. Okay, it's dead. I was about to say. Did she hit? Okay. Kind of. Kind of. There we go. Oh, that's pretty cool. That changed colors. That goblin definitely changed colors. That was not a consistent. She's doing it. Aww. That's sweet. The blood's still there, but the healing's there. Yeah, there we go. See, it's like, I don't know, I think she's growing on them. Or they're growing on her. Maybe she's just like, I don't want to be here. So he would heal as they fought, I think. Or maybe she's just trying to figure out who she is in general. Yeah, why is she just being so rude? For now, until she opens up. Yeah, it seems like she wants an excuse to leave. Look, we're just trying to be cool with each other, man. No, you gotta be straightforward with her. Be like, hey, I'm trying to be cool with you. Stop being so stuck up and stop being a total beep. That's it. Easy. Just get juice. Yep, too bad. Yep, come on. Come on. Let's go. You're part of the group now. Oh, yeah, that would make sense. Fair enough. Oh my god, she's gonna go smack him. She's gonna smack him. Yeah, I like how he's looking. Yeah, I guess she thinks she's too good for them. Yeah, that doesn't seem like a good conversation, though. Because she seemed a little upset after that. Just by supposed body language. I don't know. In my mind, I was just like, that book is going to end up on fire. Obviously. That's the goal. Let's go. I just don't think he's ready for it yet. I want Mary to show up out of nowhere. Oh, look at that. Typical. Typical. I'm going to say cliche. Kind of. We always see the dead person come back for a little bit in anime. You don't have to be, dude. Be you. Our party. And not mine, not yours. He's still part of them. Propping my legs up. Yep, leader. Yup. All right, there we go. So we're gonna save up to buy him a helmet. What if they just take one of the helmets from them? That's pretty cool. Except I don't think that killed him. Because he was screaming as he was... That's actually pretty cool. We need to, though. Hopefully. Well, when you ask, she ends up being a total B, so... Why is it that they say their names, but, like, they don't, Put them in the subtitles. Mary's starting to see, like, okay, this dude's stepping up. I was about to say somebody's going to pop up from there. He defended her. Oh, look at that. She's attacking finally. Look at that. She can fight when she wants to. That's it. Ah, he's using the same game. That was smooth. That was smooth. Come to dinner. Come on. Come. You're going. You're going to dinner. We're going to dinner. See? Also, he's got a... He did not have... He was not confident. Come on, dude. Awkward. So awkward. Come on. Yeah, there we go. Spit it out. Dang it. You... Spit it out. Ah! Just want to strangle her. It's just like, spit it out. Do we ship them too? Oh yeah, we're gonna break her. We're gonna win her over. Huh, interesting. I think he's gonna ask about Mary, of course. I should title this Something About Mary. That would be pretty funny. Respectable for at least asking, you know? Yo, I wasn't listening or anything. Mary had something happen. That's why she's just kind of... I'm sure she's got a sad backstory. But then it all came tumbling down. Okay. "10 days, that's it." Why is our group just so bad? What happened? Oh, so she was the one that was the happy one. Oh, interesting. Kind of like somebody we know. And then they got overconfident. How many people did they have to burn? And then sneak attack. I'm sure you guys hear the dog barking. Oh, what is it? What is it? Is it like a alligator type thing? I was walking on 2 legs, so it's a 2-legged alligator type thing. The music is absolutely beautiful. But at least you didn't die. See, you could have been them. Oh, the other person died. Oh, she's done. She was broken at that point. Jeez. How did she use it all up? Did she use it trying to revive somebody? Or just trying to keep them alive? Somebody alive? Yeah, I knew she had a sad backstory. I knew something happened. Jeez, that's tough. That's brutal. Oh yeah, no, you're not gonna let your party members die. That's the new rule. So, sorry, Mary, you're gonna start smiling. My eyes are so dry. Maybe I should shed a tear. Not happening so far. So far, not happening. Yeah, I guess we'll have to wait and see what happens to Mary next episode, which is happening now, shortly, once this one is done. Smash time. Let me finish recording. So probably 30 minutes or so, and I'll be free. Yay! All right. There we go. I didn't want to hit the mic and make noises, even though I just scraped the microphone with my finger. So there's that. Oh my gosh. Goblin Slayers! Ha ha ha! Check out Goblin's Journey. Alright, the next episode will begin. Make sure you guys pull it up because I'm doing that now. The next episode begins in 3, 2, 1, play. Yeah. Funimation. You should be watching. There are some shows that I need to find that I can't find. Oh, this is a flashback? Oh, so we get to watch them die now. Oh, jeez. Yup, this dude killed everyone. How did the other two escape is the question. Oh, I guess he sacrifices himself. You gotta go. Yeah, no, you gotta go. Dude, she's. Oh my god, this dude's about to go. This dude's about to go down fighting. Or he just got 100% swept right there. Like, no chance. Oh, that sucks. Well, she's gonna stay with this one. Watch, I'm telling you. Yeah, but you left. Yeah, you left the other Mary down there. Ho 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 ho! Look at that. I should be a writer. That's my goal now. I'm gonna start writing for these shows. I think we all have at this point. This dude's dope. This dude's pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. The both of them are pretty dope. Yeah, it's not Dragon Ball Z, that's for sure. God. Yeah, until it's too late. I thought it was the ending. I was like, already? We just started the episode. Oh man, dude, it's been a long day in the heat. Yeah, after I record this, I'm calling it a night. I'm not doing anything. Oh man. Oh, excuse me. So, I'm assuming this next episode is when she becomes part of the like crew, so to speak. Yeah, I want her and the main character to, well, who I assume is the main character. I ship them. The opening's not bad. It's not. Excuse me. I apologize. It's not like one of my faves or anything like that, but it's definitely good. You know, like it's no Overlord or Mob Psycho or Black Clover, um, but it's pretty good. It's pretty dang good. All right, I'm ready. I'm ready. Sorry, I apologize. I do that. It's a habit because I can't breathe out of this nostril. So if this one gets stuffy, I can't breathe at all. Like I have to. I can breathe. Yep. Nope. You have to be friends now. That's fair. That's fair. I'll give her that one. I can. I'm not like this. You know, I can put my head back. Then treat her like one of us. God, what if every party that she's been a part of lost people? Jeez, that's why she's gonna be like, I'm not gonna get close to you guys. That's my prediction. Ooh. Well, to be fair, your thoughts and opinions are pretty. Yeah. That. See, exactly. There we go. And you come up with an idea. You're gonna become our new party leader. See? See, he's so stupid. Baka. I think that I think he felt, not guilty, but I think he felt happy that he said that. There we go. Let's see if it. It's kind of your fault. Oh. But. Oh, yeah, we're gonna kill him today. They're gonna kiss. They're gonna kiss. Well, there was one. Yep, in front of everyone. Yep, right now. You're not going anywhere. No, we want you to stay. That's the thing. Yo, just be like, yo, we know your story. You're part of us now. That's all you gotta say. See? Just be like, yo, no, well, you're part of us, dude. You're family at this point. Sadness. I don't like the sadness. I mean, it's good. I just don't like it. Did you, though, or did he let himself die? That sounds familiar to old Mary. Sounds similar to Mary. Okay, now start turning things around. This is just like, oh, man. It's a good. It's like he's doing a good job. You know, he's definitely stepped up without realizing it, or maybe he has realized it, but yeah, I hope you cry. I hope you cry. Yeah, there it is. Yep, feel bad. Mm-hmm. That's all he can say, huh? That joke's getting old. Nah, she didn't hear the first one, so I wanted to see her cry and, accept it. But the show only wants to make you cry. They're friends now, though. Good for them. She wanted to distance herself so, in case something happened, she wouldn't feel bad. Yes. Yes. Don't you dare. No. Not yet. Okay, that's progress. 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 She needs time to process it. I don't blame her. She lost 3. I like the music so far. I really like the music so far. Oh, man. $42 to 18. Dang, that's way more than half. Hey, hey. All right, Mary, you gotta join them soon. I wonder where she stays, actually. So far, it looks better. Better than where the other people stay at. Nice. Like this little frog. I love those frogs, man. Yeah, and it's funny because she, of all people, shared her food. We need that dagger back. Did they trade? Are they making fun of him? Aww. Goblin. That's what Goblin Slayer sounds like. Yeah, but the problem is they're still not. I don't think they're ready for anything other than goblins yet. Oh, excuse me. I like it. Yeah. What? That's funny. Yes. Even they noticed. Look at that. I like him too. They're a party now. She will. She will. Don't worry. Yet. Aw, the hairpiece. She's outside waiting for them. That's pretty cool. Oh, that's cool. I love this OST right now. I just realized it was in English too. That's because of her. That's because of her. So is she like a booster too? No, that has to be Mary's doing. Either either it's Mary or he has a secret skill. Look at them. God, what if Mary dies at the end of the episode? Oh, I'm gonna flip out. I'm going to quit the series. I mean, I know somebody reached out to me. I cannot remember who it was. They're like, "Did you really quit?" And I was like, "No, I didn't. It's just work 6 days a week." So, but no. God, I'd be so pissed. Oh man. things are clicking. That's why. That's pretty cool. 73. No, that's probably not 73. That's probably not a lot at all. I want to know more about this world. I wonder if there is a season 2. Don't tell me. Oh, that was sweet. That was pretty cool. It was a good episode. I liked it. Yeah, Sam, I know. It's a good episode because it's Grimgar. I'm just kidding. I'm giving you a hard time. Don't be mad at me. That's not my Sim voice, I promise. That's my YouTube voice, actually. That was a good episode. That's happy ending. See, we can end it here. Yes. I'm happy with that one. Yeah, I want to know more about the world. But it seems like, well, so we've only got 5 episodes left, so 3 more reactions, 2 at the minimum, 3 at the most, hopefully. It could be 5. But yeah, we've got 5 more episodes, so we'll have to wait and see what happens. I don't know I'm just not going to watch the preview for the next episode. I just kind of want to leave it with 0 expectations because now I'm starting to understand what this series is about, and it's pretty awesome. Which one is that one? Okay. But yeah, no, I do appreciate you guys watching and hanging out. It was pretty good. So yeah, episode 8 and 9 next time. I might be able to get to it over the next couple of days, but as you guys know, the schedule's just been like Grimgar, Maggie, Hunter x Hunter, Grimgar, Maggie, Hunter x Hunter, and then like whatever I have throughout the week and stuff like that. And then we'll see what I pick up after this. I'm not sure yet, but hopefully something short, like quick 12 episodes again. Just so I'm not staying too long on like the same series. And then especially with all the new stuff coming back out, like ReZero, Black Clover's coming back. What am I watching on Mondays? God of High School, and then you have Food Wars is coming back. So it's like I'm gonna have a decent schedule. So I just don't want to overdo it and like get behind or anything like that on videos. But I do appreciate you guys hanging out and tuning in. If you guys like the video, you know what to do for those watching on YouTube. But yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow for whatever video comes out on YouTube after this, and tomorrow on Patreon for Maggie. But bye, everyone.